Got a little toaster oven. So she put it in that. So she about to take her first bite right now.
Alright.
Alright.
CeCe, what you doing?
She off now.
She got company.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy, you got the teeth here?
No. No teeth. Never no teeth, but I can't eat with my teeth.
She lay that thing out. Let me look at it. Oh, get a good look at my son. This boy, they don't understand everything she got on that back. Uh-huh.
But the kids then probably went crazy. This is the bird's nest, and motherfucker, you ain't ate a sub, and it ain't from no Taco Bell or no shit like that. It's from motherfucking CeCe house. CeCe got the shit.
CeCe.
Y'all motherfuckers don't know about CeCe's kitchen. Y'all better know.
They better.
We ain't putting it on Facebook or nothing, because we don't want y'all to get our shit and take it and then y'all run it. No.
Take a bite.
Mind you, look, I ain't got my teeth in, and I'm eating this bitch. What's gonna happen? I'm not fucking juicing. But stop.
Barely got your talk.
All you gotta do, if you know my girl, tell CeCe you want one. If you don't know her, you ain't getting her. Second of all, you gotta take a little bit of the bitch you should have came home and wash it down. This is from the bird's nest.
We out.
And let that be the reason that ain't nobody fucking playing with y'all out there, because this is it right here. Ain't that right?
We out.